And this practical basically called as a DBT star practical. I will be brief about what is a DBT star, and later on, not this time, because I want to just finish this practical. तो इसमें आपको दो क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, and you need to be I need to be solve one problem based on that, and you need to be solve one problem, and then I will be share you the code, which is your Google Classroom code. So you have to right now you have to join, and you have to just submit that PDF file or PDF or scan whatever you will जो भी आपका आपने स्कैन किया रहेगा, ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया रहेगा, उसका पिक लो और वो पिक वहां पे आप सबमिट करो. बट मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव टू व्हेन यू जॉइन द ग्रुप write down your roll number followed by your name. That is a very important. Okay, because later on we are going to record that practicals, and in case in future if we require like a physical copy or hard copy of that, you need to be submit. Okay, so make sure that you must have that copy with you. So around 30 students we have. Everybody have joined with their name with roll number except few of them, except Realme 7. Please change your name, like just change Realme 7, just change your like join with your name. Okay, so we'll start with the exponential smoothing. So basically this topic will be excluded from your syllabus. It is not in your syllabus, but since now it is included in the DBT star practical, so this year I plan to take this is under DBT star practical. Okay, so this won't be asked in your examination, but it is just for your understanding, like if your data will be exponentially, then how do you estimate the trend line? Okay, so let's start.
Sir,
So
at the top, should we write exponential smoothing or DBT star practical?
I will tell you what should write. So when we start with the let me just brief this first, exponential smoothing, then I will tell you what should write at the top. Don't write right now, don't write in, just try to
Okay,
understand,
okay, sir.
then I will tell you. Okay, so everybody please ready with one page with calculator and pen. Rest I will tell you what should write
सर
on the.
नथिंग टू राइट ऑन पेज नाउ ना?
Sorry,
कुछ पेज पे नहीं लिखना है ना अभी सर?
अभी फिलहाल कुछ नहीं लिखना, पूरा ब्लैंक रखो. मैं आपको फॉर्मेट बोलूंगा, वही फॉर्मेट में सब लोग लिखो. हाँ,
ठीक है सर.
केवल फिलहाल आप समझो क्या कैसे कैसे क्या होता है, फिर हम लोग प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे.
ओके सर.
Okay, so exponential smoothing technique is basically assumed to be the process with the constant, or it is changes slowly. It is a constant, or it is changes slowly with time, because it is exponential na? So whenever it is exponential, it is not like very straight. It's not like very straight, remember. Yes, straight matter it is going to be very fast, but if it is exponential, then it is goes slowly, then it goes become down and then up like that. Okay, so that's why it is known as the exponential smoothing. And same assumption is used in the moving average method. So whatever assumptions of moving average method is that same same assumptions we are using for exponential smoothing also. Define alpha. Now this is very important. What is this alpha? Alpha lies between 0 to 1 as a smoothing constant. Okay, so we are just including one parameter, which is nothing but the smoothing constant value. See, this parameter was not there in moving average. Okay, so because of that problem also, the moving average method is not appropriate sometimes. Assume that the time series points for the past t periods are y1, y2, y3. So this is very simple. So we have a data on y1, y2, yt, and we have a t periods. The estimate for period yt plus 1 is, now understand, मेरे पास क्या है, y1, y2, yt period we have. Now I am interested to estimate yt plus 1. Okay, so how to estimate this yt plus 1? So we have the general formula, yt plus 1 star is equal to, understand, this is the very important, alpha time yt plus alpha time 1 minus alpha into yt minus 1. Understand, this is t, this is t minus 1 plus alpha time 1 minus alpha square, 1 minus alpha square into y t minus 2 and so on. We can observe that the coefficient of yt minus 1 and so on are progressively smaller, that is more weights is on the more recent data. These values like this yt minus 1 and so on, this is progressively very smaller value when you calculate these values like yt plus 1, yt plus 2 and so on. These values are basically based on yt minus 1, yt minus 2 and so on. Okay, so when you just do the calculation, you will be know. Then why, so how, so what is the calculation, because dealing with the infinite series become difficult. Okay, so we can get simplify this and we can get this expression. Understand, y star t plus 1 is equal to alpha time yt plus, so I have taken common 1 minus alpha from second term, third term and so on, last term. Okay, so just take 1 minus alpha will be out. So what is left here now? Alpha time yt minus 1. So alpha time yt minus 1 plus what is left here? Alpha time 1 minus alpha. So alpha time 1 minus alpha yt minus 2 plus so on. Okay, so now what I'll do, I will assume this quantity will be the yt star. Okay, so now I have yt plus 1 star is nothing but alpha time yt plus 1 minus alpha time, or 1, just a minute. So this quantity will be assumed y star t. Okay, so we got final expression will be y star t plus 1 is equal to alpha time yt plus 1 minus alpha time yt star, where this yt star can be calculated using recursively from the point. This yt star plus 1 can be calculated previously value, which is your yt star. तो अगर मुझे y2 निकालना है तो I will be take y1, y3 निकालना है तो y2, y6 निकालना है, y6 निकालना है तो y5, means I am going to use the recursively previous value. Okay, so recursive equation is started. Now understand, this is the important part. Recursive equation started by skipping, understand, skipping the estimate yt at t is equal to 1. That means we have to skip one value at t is equal to 1. Skip means if you just leave it as it is, and taking the estimate for t is equal to 2 as y1. तो y1 निकालने के लिए, estimate of y1 निकालने के लिए, we have to skip the value at t is equal to 1, which will give us the y1 star, and taking this estimate for t is equal to 2 as a y1. Okay, so I will explain this concept with the help of examples, you will be understand. Okay, the selection of a smoothing constant, which is alpha, is a crucial because it is a very important. The deciding these alpha values are very important. Okay, in estimating the future forecast, a large values of alpha implies that recent observation carry equal weightage. In practice, alpha lies between 0.01 to 0.3. Okay, so sometime we consider between these values, sometime usually we can't take above this or below this because it will create a problem in exponential smoothing technique. So what I'm trying to say here, this selection of the smoothing constant is not a very simple task. Okay, so we will just assume that we have specified these values, and based on that we will solve the problem. Okay, so I will again go through these concepts. Okay, but if you just solve the problem based on it, then your doubt become clear. So now what you have to write it down in your notebook, I will tell you. तो सबसे टॉप पे आपको लिखना है हेडिंग डालो यहाँ पे, एक्सपोनेंशियल प्रैक्टिकल based on exponential smoothing technique. Okay. Exponential smoothing techniques. Write your name and today's date below of that, or you can write at top, no problem. Write today's date, your name and your roll number. Done? Everyone done? So practical based on exponential smoothing technique. If you have a space in bracket, you can write DBT practical. DBT. DBT. Department of Biotechnology. Okay. DBT practical. Right. So your name will be there, your roll number will be there, and today's date will be there. Okay. And now you take down this problem. Are you able to see the screen, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just take down this question first. Then I will again go through the technique which I'm going to use, I'm going to apply in this problem. I will be share the code once your questions are over. Okay. Then you need to be join that you can say classroom, and you need to be submit your practical. So once your question is over, then let me know. So what you have to do, first we will write the expression. What is the expression? We have this expression, y star t plus 1 is equal to alpha time yt plus 1 minus alpha time yt star.
तो साथ
And
में लिखने
sorry,
का है ना आपसे?
तो पहले क्या करना है, पहले आप क्वेश्चंस लिखो पूरा, ये
हो गया
क्वेश्चंस, हाँ, The table below shows that demand for the inventory item over the 10 months. Means we have a stock of product, okay, over the 10 months. So first month we have a demand of this much item. Second month we have this much. Third month and so on. So 10 months we have a demand, okay, that's called inventory item. So we have a stock of that item. Applies exponential smoothing with smoothing constant 0.1, मतलब जो अल्फा है वो आपका 0.1 है, and derive forecast for month 11, मतलब month 11 का आपको forecast करना है, what could be their trend value, okay. So we will, so since they are saying use exponential smoothing technique, so exponential smoothing technique क्या बोलता है, we have this expression. What is the expression? Yt star is equal to alpha time yt plus 1 minus alpha time yt star. So that is I have written here. You can look at. This is the expression I have written. And t start from 2, 3, 4 and so on.
We have to continue writing with you only.
Yeah, yes. You have to continue writing with me only. So one question I'm going to solve and the next question I'm going to give you, okay? And you have to solve by own. And you have to tell the answer. It's like a practical. So just continue write down with me whatever I'm writing on the screen. Skip y1 star and take y2 star is equal to y1. This is all the values of your yt. This is all the values of your yt.
सारे नीचे वाला टेबल बनाए.
हाँ, नीचे वाला टेबल ड्रॉ करो. So I will tell you how to compute these values. Now everybody who is there present for this practical, they need to be submit this one, okay. Avesh Khan, please connect with your roll number, beta. Just join with your roll number. Okay, I'm going to scan this copy for today's practical. And others, I think everybody have connected with their roll number. So these students again connect with the Google Classroom and submit this practical. Around 31 students, 32, 3, 4, whatever that. It goes up and down. So if we are finished, then tell me. So as I mentioned here, what is the first step? Y1 star. Keep y1 star. So this is your y1 star. This is skip. and take y2 star is equal to y1. Take y2 star. So y2 star means here. So y2 star is equal to y1. So y2 star, this means this particular cell, and this is equal to what? Y1. So this is your value of y1, y2, y3, and so on, right? So y2 star become y1. So this is going to be 46. And so this is the value of your y2. Okay. Now we need to calculate y3 star. So how to calculate y3 star? So y3 star is equal to, substitute, that means here t is equal to 2, we will substitute, we'll get y3 star. So what is your alpha? Alpha is 0.1 into y2 plus 0.9 into y2 star. Substitute. Now we are interested to obtain y3 star. So y3 star कैसे निकालोगे? Put here t is equal to 2. तो जो इक्वेशन मिलेगा उसमें वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. So what is this one? 0.1. What is y2? Y2 is this value 56. So 56 plus 0.9 into y2 star. What is y2 star? 46. क्या मिला आंसर इसका? Anyone?
$47.
Exact 47?
Yes.
Yes. So we got 47. Similarly, you can compute y4 star. तो y4 star कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? 0.1 into y3 plus.
सर कैलकुलेशन पार्ट भी लिखना है हम लोग को?
नहीं, वो 1-2 के लिए लिखने का, but just show for 1 and 2 and rest you can calculate. No
Okay.
need of, yeah, no need of writing for everything. एक बार आपको सीक्वेंस समझ में आया कैसे कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं ना, तो फटाफट आप लिख सकते हैं.
मैंने तो लिख दिया.
हाँ, मैं 2 तो लिखा है, 2-3 तो लिख दो आप. इनिशियली y2, y3, y4 लिखो, and then later on if you don't want to write, no problem, you can continue, just calculate this value. और लिख दिया है then it is well and good, no problem, because usually सब same है ना. Similarly you can do it like for all. So when you just calculate, just check whether you are getting these answers or not. I hope everybody will get the same answers which is written on the screen. So this value will be around, this is 47 and this could be 47.7. And so on. Y10.
Yes, sir. 47.7.
Yeah. Y10 star become 52.148. तो इससे आप Y11 स्टार भी निकाल सकते हैं ना. Y11 स्टार because you need. Yes बेटा बोलो.
Y3 से Y10 तक पूरा कैलकुलेशन करके दिखाना है.
नहीं, just you say continue because you can calculate ना using these two values. जैसे वाईफाई का निकालना है, वाई स्टार फाइव का निकालना है तो 0.1 इंटू दिस प्लस 0.9 इंटू दिस ना।
तो डायरेक्टली सर y4 के बाद y10
हाँ
लिख देना है।
हाँ, डैश 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 करके y10 निकालो, क्योंकि y11 के लिए यू नीड y10 ना। तो जस्ट
सर
पुट
वाईफाई
डैश,
का वैल्यू 47.23 आ रहा है मेरा।
सॉरी
वाईफाई का वैल्यू 47.23 है।
यस सर, मेरा भी नहीं आ रहा है।
क्या आ रहा है 47 पॉइंट
47.23
y कौन सा?
वाईफाई
वाई वाई 5 स्टार।
अच्छा, और ये वैल्यू सेम मिल रहा है 47.7 सेम मिल रहा है।
यस सर, यस सर।
यस सर
हाँ तो इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करके देखना पड़ेगा। लेट मी जस्ट चेक आउट, just cross check other values also. Yeah, बराबर। This is 2 3, just check other values also whether it is
डबल आ जाएगा ना सर। वाई स्टार सिक्स आ रहा है सर 48.207।
ये सब चेंज हो जाएगा ना।
यस सर।
Okay, okay, so can anyone just put in the chat box so that I will just write down those values. I will just write down those values, you can just put it in the chat box. So this would be 47.23. Similarly, this value is going to be changed. Acha, I think I skip one value. 40, is this 48.207?
यस सर।
हाँ, मतलब मैंने एक वैल्यू शायद skip किया है by mistake. Yeah, I think I skipped one. So this is 48.98, then 50.782, 51.902. Is that right? Let me know. And then 51.72. Just check whether this is right or wrong. And then based on this, like last answer, 0.9 plus 0.1 into 56, 0.918.
सर 8 का सर 50.9863 है।
8 का क्या आ रहा है?
0.9863।
9863.
हाँ सर।
नहीं सर, 50.782 है, मेरा वही आ रहा है।
कैलकुलेशन बराबर करेंगे तो आएगा। हाँ करेक्ट तो है, बराबर है, दिस इज करेक्ट। Okay, anyways, you calculate and write down whatever answers coming, you can write down. And so when you just do the calculation like this value, so when substitute, it will be y10. Sorry, this would be this into 56 plus 0.9 into 51.72, and do this calculation, you will be get answer is 52.147 or 148 something. Just cross check in case if you have any questions you can ask. So I'm just adding the next question by the that time. So you can take down next question. So again, we have to apply same technique. Okay. So you can calculate